Without positive communication skills, a person is just like the Taj Mahal without the white marble. In this video, I'm going to tell you about 5 easiest ways to improve your communication skill and become a better communicator. So watch this video till the end. In this video, I'm going to talk about 2 W's. The first W is why. Why is being a good communicator so important? Let's check out. A report from the Economist Intelligence Unit in 2018 indicates barriers of communication in the workplace. Whether you are a student who's planning to begin a career or you already have a chosen career, no matter what, if you are a poor communicator, you are likely to face several difficulties. About 52% respondents reported added stress in their workplace due to poor communication skills. The second W in my video indicate what? What is communication? Does communication only mean language like English? Not necessarily. Do you know 90% of an effective communication depends on your body language, your gestures, your postures, and many more. Communication is divided into 2 categories, verbal communication and non-verbal communication. So the first step to improve your communication skill is to understand the importance of non-verbal communication. To be an effective communicator in any formal or informal setup, make sure you're quite conscious about how you stand, how you sit, the movement of your head, your hands, and your eyes. The second way to improve your communication skill is to participate in active listening. Yes, in order to be an effective communicator, you need to be an effective listener. Remember, an effective communication ratio is 70:30. 70% should be listening and 30% should be speaking. The third step to improve your communication skill is to clarify. The ability to communicate with clarity and purpose is the key to personal and professional success, says G. Riley Mills, the co-founder of Pinnacle Performance Corporation in Chicago and the author of the Bull's Eye Principle. So make sure you express your ideas with clarity in the most simple way. How will you do that? Review and evaluate what exactly you want to communicate first and then communicate. The fourth way to improve your communication skill is empathy and the ability to ask open-ended questions. Understand what the person in front of you is feeling. The better you get at acknowledging and understanding, the more heard and valued they'll feel. In the process of listening, ask them to express what they exactly feel. You can go on like this. Yeah, tell me more. Or explain yourself. Explain what you mean. Yeah, define the term. Yeah, I'm listening. Go on. Something like this. Finally, the most important way to improve your communication skill is to connect. Develop a connection with the one you're speaking to, whether you are at an interview or in a formal setup or in an informal setup with a group of people or friends, no matter where you are. Developing a connect still remains to be one of the most important features of good communication skills. Make eye contact to establish interest and rapport, not periodically to show reciprocation. And don't forget to flash a genuine smile to convey warmth and trust. Always believe in yourself. Remember, the most complex things in this universe were also built on basic ideas. Whoever you are, wherever you are, you can learn anything. Always think positive and stay motivated. If you like the content, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for more updates.